Hey everyone, Vinayak here. Stop hunting for that charging cable. We have all been there. Right in the middle of a deadline, your keyboard dies and you're scrambling for AAA batteries like it's 2005. Well, Logitech just launched something in India that says goodbye to the charging struggle forever. This is the Logitech Signature Slim Solar Plus K980. It's sleek, it's sustainable, and it literally runs on light. Even the tubelight in your office. Is this the ultimate set it and forget it workstation upgrade? Let's find out. So this is the Signature Slim Solar Plus K980 by Logitech. So this is a very slim keyboard. So it's light powered, so it's simple to use, always ready to go. Let's open it up. Logitech is going all in on eco-friendly here. These buttons here, these ones are actually supposed to be customizable. No charging cable because, well, you don't need one. You get the keyboard wrapped in a soft protective paper sleeve. Wow, this keyboard looks really nice. It's quite thin actually. It is slightly heavy. That's the solar panel over there on the top with the Logi branding. It's a full-size keyboard and it's got decent key travel scissor switches. It's made of 73% recycled plastic, and while it feels sturdy, it's definitely a different vibe than heavy metal MX keys. At the back, you have these rubber feet to keep it in place. No ports, nothing. It's just minimalist. It's just got a power switch at the back, and they have a small LED over here to show if it's on or off. And these are the switches for 1, 2 and 3 for switching between devices, making it quite easy. The standout feature is the light charge solar strip. It doesn't need direct sun soaking, it harvests energy from indoor lighting as you work. Logitech claims the internal battery has 10-year lifespan. If you are worried about working late or in a dim room, don't be. On a full charge, this board will last for 4 months in total darkness. It is built to be completely self-reliant. No Logi Bolt USB-C receiver is available in this box. I'm surprised. Actually, I'm not sure why they expect you to only use Bluetooth. You can connect via the Bolt receiver or even via Bluetooth. But because I have the MX Master 4, I have a Logi Bolt receiver which works with this keyboard. Okay, they are saying that don't place a pen over there, you're going to be blocking the solar panels and it won't be able to charge the keyboard. Which is understandable, you need to have the solar panel open to charge. These are your media keys, you have a screenshot key. We can also customize for recording, which are these buttons over here. This keyboard can be used for Windows and Mac, so you have Option, Command and also Start and Control Alt over here. The keys are low profile scissor switches. It feels snappy and extremely quiet, perfect for shared offices or late night sessions. It is a full-sized layout including a numpad and inverted T arrow keys, great for spreadsheets and data entry. Now you have some cons. To make the solar tech work, there is no backlighting. So if you're a night owl who works in a pitch black room, this is your biggest hurdle. There are no adjustable tilt legs. It's fixed at a 4-degree angle. If you prefer a steep incline, you might find it too flat. You might have to get something like this, which is a combo armrest with an incline for the keyboard, which brings it a little higher, but this is an extra cost. There is no USB port. So if you stash this in a drawer for a year and it dies, you can't just plug it in. You have to give it a light bath to revive it. In India, we are multi-device masters. We have the work laptop, the personal tablet. So here I have a MacBook Air M5 and I have a PC. So with easy switch, I can just jump between the 3 devices and it's quite easy. Just press the button and you are connected to the new device. This key is a dedicated AI launch key. One press and you can be talking to Gemini or ChatGPT. The primary selling point is that you theoretically never need to plug in or swap batteries, solving a major pain point of wireless keyboards. It should have had a USB-C port anyway, which is a downside. The solar panel is integrated into the top of the keyboard and designed to blend in with the aesthetic, making it look like a standard modern keyboard rather than an ugly 1980s calculator. It works with the Logi Options Plus app, which allows for smart actions and shortcut customizations. The whole top row can be customized to what you want it to do. You can also use the Logi Options Plus app to check if your keyboard is getting enough light or not. Just click on that button over there on the app and it's showing insufficient light for charging. But with a 4-month battery life, I don't think you have a problem with it. You just put it into the sunlight or under a strong light for a few hours and it should be done. If it had a USB-C charging port, it would have been icing on the cake. At the end of the day, the K980 isn't just about solar panels, it's about peace of mind. It's for the professional who wants to sit down and start typing and never ever see a battery low notification again. Is it perfect? No, you have to trade away backlighting and adjustable ergonomics just to get that infinite battery life. But for 9,000 Indian rupees, you're buying more than a keyboard, you're buying a maintenance-free workflow for the next decade. If you work in a well-lit space and value a minimalist sustainable setup, this is arguably the smartest desk upgrade you can make this year. It's literally one less thing to worry about in your digital life. So what do you guys think? Would you pick one up? Make sure to comment below. Also make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.